Hi guys, in front of me is Oppo A77s, and let me show you how to block a number. First open your phone dialer and then choose the contact that you wish to block. Now select more icon and click on block numbers. Then confirm that you wish to do it, and that's it. As you can see here, we've got a notification that this particular number is blocked. However, you can block not only contacts, but you can also set some general rules. So to do it, just tap on more icon, go to settings then, and pick block numbers. And now you can block all unknown colors if you wish, or you can add some phone number manually by yourself, smoothly by entering it here. Maybe without a dot. But however the number goes, just tap on block after that, and this is it. As you can see, from now on those numbers are blocked. To release the blockade, tap on cross icons. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.